Hi, lady.
Oh, oh, what is this, Joy?
I think she
This
likes
is
it.
fun.
It's a ball. Do you like balls?
Wow, thanks.
She's really nice dog.
She's very nice. Very shepherd attitude.
Yeah.
Very
I think he said she was purebred. She might be purebred.
She acts it.
She does.
That
But
she absolutely has that German shepherd.
you know what? Her tail is funny.
Uh-huh.
Her tail, she holds it. She doesn't hold it right. sometimes.
Right.
But you know what? It feels like it might have been broken at one time.
Well, she's a little sensitive about it too, apparently.
Yeah, she is. So I
know.
don't blame her. I suspect that's what happened. But that's all right. I'll leave your tail alone. So please play with that. Okay.
She goes, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Sorry.
We'll do. What?
She's a very bright girl.
She's very bright, girl.
As they all are.
Yeah. Get yourself in trouble sometimes because you're so
Yes.
bright.
What do you think of that, lady?
But she's happy to be done from being tied to the couch at night.
Tied to the couch at night.
Well, yeah, to give me the leash to take her to my car, he had to move the couch to get the off so I could take her to the car.
Oh, lady, I know. It's...
Oh, just don't remind me of those days. I want a new home now.